All right, hello once again, Jeff Scott from Jeff Teaches Programming, and I am on video 5 creating this calculator, and I wanted to show you first that I screwed up, and that is this add to grid. I put all this stuff underneath it. It shouldn't have been there. Add to grid is very small. That's it. And this is building the history panel, and it now works. Okay. So now I'm going to have some helper functions to build buttons. So the first one is going to be make button. All right. So we're going to make the button, give it that text. Set the background to whatever background we passed in. Set the foreground. That'll be set to foreground light. Set the font. Not the front, but the font. Gravy. What that does here is it says to not draw the dotted focus rectangle that Swing typically adds. This removes the default looking 3D looking button border. So okay, what does it like there? Don't know what the problem is there. So that's a standard button or regular button, whatever you want to call it. This will be the ones for the operations, so the plus sign, the minus sign, multiply and divide. So I'm about, I don't know, 420 lines into a couple hundred more lines to go, to be honest with you. But again, that's including comments. And I'm cutting down the comments. I had a lot of them in here. Now this is going to run a piece of the calculator logic that doesn't need any special follow-up. All right, nothing special that you have to do. So this says to execute whatever calculator logic was passed in, and then call render. So then update the on-screen labels to reflect whatever changes was just made. This is for the equal sign. This will perform the math. This will add it to the history model. This will auto scroll to actually show the newest entry. Here's for the clear button. The all clear button, whatever you want to call it. Next, the highlight operator, which we call up above. Now we're going to put a for each statement through here. This is going to walk through every button pair, the name of the button that we have. For each one, it's going to check whether its name matches the operator we want highlighted, and if so, it'll pick the appropriate color. Otherwise, that's everything in there. Okay, we need a render next. Now what render will do is it's going to read the latest values out of the calculator state and put them onto the visible labels. Basically, it's called after every user action, so the screen is always going to be up to date, and that's what render is doing. It's making sure the state stays as up to date as possible. Otherwise, just leave the expression label blank. All right. So next, we've got our keyboard support. Not real much to go here. See where I am for time. All right, I'll go for 20 here. So this keyboard thing is going to walk through every component in the window, starting from the given one and drilling down into everything that comes underneath it. Okay, so component has to be focusable to receive any events. That's what we're doing there. All right, I've got 2 or 3 small functions to go. See that up there? I think I'm going to stop here and finish it up. Hopefully finish this file up in one more lecture and then start on the next file.